Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. I see that you guys love my easy recipe, so today I am back with another easy recipe. Today we're making a well done omelet. So easy and it's fast. So if you want to see how I did it, be sure to keep on watching. Also subscribe if you're new. Thumbs up the video. Without further ado, let's make this amazing omelet recipe. Okay, to start, you will need some chopped jalapeno, which is very optional, some crispy bacon, green bell pepper with 4 eggs. I will be using mozzarella cheese. You can use cheddar cheese, white, yellow, whatever, with onion, red bell pepper, and some seasoning. To begin, I am starting by cracking my eggs. I am using 4 eggs, and I always remove the white part of the egg, just that little white part with the eggshell, because that's the only way or the easy way, or you can use a fork to remove it. Okay. You are done cracking your egg, you're going to use a whisk to stir this egg together and make sure to mix it for about a minute or so, just so you can elevate the egg a little bit to make it a little bit fluffy. Okay, that's how I like mine, fluffy omelet. Now before we start, we're going to saute the vegetables before we add them to the omelet. I added about, I'll say, a teaspoon of olive oil in this little skillet here. Then I'll be adding my beautiful red pepper with the onion and as well as the green bell pepper. Next I'll be adding I'll be adding the jalapenos. We're going to saute these for, I'll say, about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they're nice and tender. Once your veggies are nice and tender, we're going to season the veggies with the seasoning that I showed you guys earlier. Mix it up together and then it should be ready to go. Nothing difficult here, okay? Very easy. So once it is done, we're going to set it aside. We're going to move on to the omelet. In a different skillet, I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use butter as well. I am going to make sure the oil is all over the skillet, so once we add our egg to it, so the egg doesn't burn, even though I am using a non-stick skillet. Now this is how I test how hot my pan is. Add a little drop of the egg and then we're going to remove it. Of course, as you guys can see, the skillet is really hot. So now I am going to pour my egg mixture in there. Now we're going to cook this on medium high heat. Okay, so make sure you don't overcook your egg or you don't undercook it. Once your egg's starting to cook a little bit, we're going to season it with the rest of the seasoning that I showed you guys in the beginning. Once you're done seasoning it, add your salt. I didn't add that much pepper because I don't like my omelet to look too black with the pepper. I lightly add a little bit of pepper. Of course, you can add more pepper if you want. I just don't like it. And I didn't add the seasoning in the mixture for that reason as well. Now, on one side, you're going to add your veggies, half of the egg. you're going to add your veggies. Okay, just add them slowly on there. Now you add your veggies once your egg is starting to cook. Don't add it when you just put your egg in the skillet, otherwise it'll just sink in, or at the bottom of the skillet it'll show on the omelet, if you guys understand what I'm saying. Now it's time to add my crispy bacon. They were really nice and crispy, just like how I like them. And then I'll be adding my mozzarella cheese. Like I said, you can use any type of cheese, just use whatever cheese you guys like. I added the cheese on the other side so it can start melting right away. We're going to fold the omelet, and this is it. Basically, you're going to flip it on the other side, of course, so the cheese can melt, and basically you have yourself a very easy, delicious, nutrient omelet. This is it, you guys. It has veggies, cheese, and you have your protein. This is it, you guys. I truly hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Be sure to let me know down below how you guys like this recipe. Oh my god, it looks so good. Of course, you can add more cheese, and of course, this is the final result. It's a quick, easy omelet, perfect breakfast. You got your fruit. All you need is some OJ, and then you're good to go. This will definitely give you lots of energy, especially if you eat it in the morning. This is it. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Be sure to subscribe if you're new to Island Vibe Cooking. I do upload every day. Do not forget to go subscribe to my vlog channel, guys. I do upload challenges, prank, and other stuff there, so click the link down below. Go subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Without further ado, I am going to cut this open for you. It's so cheesy. All right, look at that cheese. Okay, I see you, cheese. And basically, guys, this is the end result. Very easy, delicious. I just love the bacon combined with the cheese, and you get veggies at the same time on every single bite. It's just so, oh my goodness, look at that. So good, you guys. Let me know what you think about this recipe, and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.